Hi, I'm Becky. Cars are designed to run hot, but there is a limit. To keep your car at its optimal running temperature, there are a few simple steps to take in order to prepare your car for summer heat. Your best bet is to learn how to check your vehicle's coolant levels. To check your coolant, first, locate your coolant reservoir under the hood of your car. It's always next to the radiator with the hose leading to it for the overflow. Make sure your engine is not hot and do not open the cap until it has cooled. Once it has cooled, twist the cap counterclockwise. We suggest that everyone looks at their car owner's manual under maintenance to make sure you put the correct antifreeze in your car. On the side of the reservoir, you will see it has a maximum and minimum line. To fill, always use a funnel and never exceed the maximum line. Tighten the cap and your car is ready to run.